Alrighty, this is video number 3. I noticed on the last one, um, yeah, for some reason when you record in the ultra high def, my phone it can only go 10 minutes at a time. I didn't notice it before, so I got to my last thing, um, and it cut off about a minute short, but that's probably just fine. So, anyways, yeah, I'll go a little faster this time. I got a couple more things. Not the garage. Okay. Well, that was all wrapped really nice, that's for sure. Oh, there we go. Those are the brand new, and not used, brand new tail lights. For the Humvee. Hard plastic. This is supposed to be, this is from, what is it, Federal Military Parts, or whatever it's called. I don't know, maybe I got it from them. I got some stuff from them. Anyways, I just really hope that these, because the factory ones, and it has like the factory part numbers and stuff on it, so I was hoping this is the exact thing. But you have these other things down here, and these have to do for blackout mode. And the military Humvees have blackout mode, and then what comes out of here is infrared light. So the blackout mode, you turn your lights over, so your light switch, where there's the 3 different levers. The top one, when you go to the left, that's your blackout mode. So your infrared lights come on, and so when you have the expensive infrared, the headsets, so you can see in the dark. So there you go. So they have the parking lights and stuff, so other people that have the goggles on can they can see where you're at, but the people without that tech can't see you. So you're driving around, you can see where you're going, and then nobody can see you. And that is, yeah, I got a whole thing going on with that, where I'm taking that idea and I'm expanding it a lot. That's kind of like my one extra special thing for the Humvee that nobody else has. I'm sure people will eventually copy me. But when you have good ideas, they get copied. It's just kind of how it works in life. But that whole thing with the night vision and all that for the Humvee, that will probably be one of the last things I reveal about it. Oh, all right. This right here. This, I'm hoping great things from this. This is a 15.6 inch ultra thin monitor, 4K. Oh man, that thing is nice. Nice little slip there to protect that. Yeah. So yeah, I wanted a smaller 4K monitor, and those are actually kind of hard to find. Yeah, this has your has like your C input, and then your what is it, a mini HDMI, 2 more C, USB-C. I'm gonna probably have to do a review just on this alone. Various cords, extra heavy power plug. Yeah, this is the centerpiece. So of my whole electronic system I'm going to have in there. So this has it's like a phone where you tilt it and it senses the tilt and it'll change the landscape to portrait. You can do that with this too. So you can have it like this and you can turn it and it'll turn the picture. So basically I'm going to have a full computer system in the vehicle, and so it'll be like sort of like a Tesla kind of a deal. But I mean, lots of people have done screens and stuff in cars for a long time, but I'm taking it up a notch this time. And then, so yeah, when you're doing Google Maps, you can turn it like that, or just leave it like that all the time. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do a full review just on that. Let's see here. All right, 7 minutes. Front lights. Yeah, because on the vehicle that I got, all the lights were gone on it. It seemed like it was a, so the one that I got that I'll be getting here sometime between now and the end of the month, it hurt, man, it looks like the interior hardly has been used. The vehicle is really in great shape. But it was missing a lot of parts, and that's why I'm buying all this stuff. So it's not like I want to have everything brand new on the vehicle. It was more about these are parts just missing, because like mine, it seemed to be something where, you know, for the military, when they need parts, they just can't run down to the local Napa or Kragen or whatever, AutoZone, and get stuff. Like, so I think they kind of wind up making some vehicles into donor vehicles. So you'll have like a vehicle that hardly has any use, but then when they need parts for ones they normally use, they just take them off of donor vehicles. So that's what it looks like I got, was a donor vehicle, and that's what I'm hoping for, because I've been looking at these things for quite a while now, and with the amount of use they usually have and what the interiors look like, you can tell how much they've been used and abused. And mine doesn't look like it hardly has any abuse at all, but it looks like it was a donor vehicle. So I'm having to buy things like lights. All right, this is the overflow, the coolant overflow, and that's actually, that's really nice heavy plastic. That's not even, like, I can't even push that in. That's nice and strong. I'll need to buy a cap for that. But yeah, so things like this. It was missing this. It was missing an air filter. And the air filter, I got lucky on that thing. Those things are expensive. All right, well, we are almost at the 10-minute mark. Oh, let's see if I can get this last one. I got like 45 seconds or something. And then it's going to shut off. Oh, these are the headlights. These are the headlights that I got, which on the other video I had the plugs. I spent a lot of time looking at headlights. Alright, that looks really nice. That's a nice heavy metal. I spent a lot of time looking at headlights. Hours and hours and hours to find something that looked nice and bright, nice crisp white light. And it's about done here in about 4 seconds. But yeah, these